Welcome to Digital Signal Processing Lab. We are going to find out linear convolution of two given sequences using DSP processor. Now, we are using CC Studio and we are going to write a C code in order to get the linear convolution of two given sequences, and we are going to print the results. Here, we are using three major variables x, h and y. X and h are the input sequences, y is the output sequence. The size of x, the maximum size of x can be 15, the maximum size of h can be 15, and the output size can be 20 over here. So the input sequence here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the second input sequence is again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. M and N are the lengths of the first and second sequences. The length of the first sequence is 6 as per the question given to us, and the length of the second sequence is also 6. We need to convolve x and h by using linear convolution formula. According to linear convolution, y of I can be found out by using the formula summation j is 0 to n minus 1 x of j into h of I minus j. And then we need to run a for loop. Now in that for loop, I should be 0, I should be less than m plus n minus 1, because the length of the linear convolution output is m plus n minus 1. The length of the first sequence plus the length of the second sequence minus 1. And then initially we are taking y of I to be 0, and then we are going for a nested for loop. We are checking the condition. If j is less than or equal to I, then only we can run the equation. After that, we can print the output. Again, for the printing purpose, we are taking the help of another for loop, and we are printing the output and storing it in an array y of I. Yes, that's a C program. And then the software used is Code Composer Studio. We are storing the values in y, and the lengths of both the sequences are m and n, and we are inputting x and inputting the values of h also, running a for loop. M plus n minus 1, that's the length of the output. We are initializing y of I to be 0. We are checking the condition j should be less than or equal to I. Then we are running the equation of convolution. Then we are recording the output sequence. In order to record the output sequence, we need to generate one more for loop, and we need to store the values in y of I. Then we need to go for Code Composer Studio 5.5 version. Then the Code Composer Studio is appearing. This is Code Composer Studio version 5. We are using a processor named as EMS 320C6748. This embedded processor is being designed by Texas Instruments. Then we need to create a project. We need to create a new CCS project. We need to click on project and new CCS project. Yeah, we need to type the project name. Let it be linear. Afterwards, we need to write C6000. It is C6000 series. Then we need to type the variant. The variant is 6748 LCDK 6748. Then empty project with main.c. And we have to go for the connection. We can use emulator, V2 emulator. Then we can write the code over here. After writing the code, we need to delete the previous file and include the new file, the linear convolution file, the sequences we have mentioned over here, and then we need to build the project. Once the build is finished, it will appear in the console window. We need to connect it to the DSP kit. Then we need to debug. We need to click on the bug symbol, and then the build is finished. Yes. If we get such kind of window, we need to press on retry. We need to click on retry, and we have to press the reset button on the device. Yeah, it is processing. The program is now loaded into the kit, and we can see a resume button over here. We need to press the resume button. In the console window, we can see the output sequence. The output values are 1, 4, 10, 20, 35, 56, 70, 76,